Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. We are looking at Falling Slowly by Glen Hansard. If you haven't seen the film once, go and watch it immediately. It's just one of the loveliest films ever. And this is one of the loveliest songs. You'll have probably heard him play this with Eddie as well if you haven't heard of this from the original film. So, standard tuning, and we're going to basically go from a C to an F for the first part. But you don't need to play like the full F, so let's break that bit down. So the intro goes. Now for the first part, I'm using my thumb and my second finger, okay? And then the rest of my fingers, they're staying, 1, 2, 3 on those top strings, okay? Just makes life a bit easier because that's all you're going to be plucking as well, right? So you've got... And then my little finger's going onto the 3rd fret. I'm holding the C shape throughout. Okay, so the movement from this hand is literally just adding your little finger just for that second beat. The next part though, you don't need to play a full F chord, okay? Because generally, there's a couple of ways you can play this actually, but Glen generally will play... Okay, so notice my first finger coming off behind my little finger, or third, whichever is comfiest for you. But again, this time you're using the 1st fret on the E and the 1st fret on the B string, right? But it's still all just open G throughout, okay? With that movement. Okay? Then round the C again, and then just that, right? Okay, so it's very straightforward. That's pretty much it. Now the F you can do like this, so you can just thumb over the top, ignore the A string, and then you got just a Jimi Hendrix style bar chord, right? So for the second bar, that would be, and you will hear that note there, but it's actually played by the piano to my ears anyway. So on the recording, you'll be thinking, which is what I was, but every time I've seen Glen play it live, he's always doing the open G. So there's two options there, right? Either play the open G or the 2nd fret on the G. All right. Then the bridge is A minor to G, F, again with that open G to G, around again. But at this point, into the chorus, okay? So it hangs on the F for 2 bars, but you're going to do this call. He does quite a lot of that stuff throughout as well, so you can throw in a bit of that. But it's arpeggiated and the chord changes every 2 beats, so we've got pretty straightforward. Here we've got 2 notes with just your the root of the G fretted, and again, so just those 3 strings being played, back to the G, and here you're going to play, so you do a hammer on, so you've got 3-0-1 there with the root. You hammer on to the 2nd fret, and with the upstroke you put your little finger on the 3rd fret on the G, okay? So you've got, and then that, so that first bar is, and then again. So down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. and into the chorus. Now the chorus rhythm is this. Like that. So down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Like that. And the chords are C to F, A minor, back to F, and around again. So with the strumming, yeah, so I'm throwing in loads of that sort of stuff, just randomly. You could play the melody too. Like that, right? So I'm just playing with every chord change. Okay, all that good stuff. So there's a few little options there for you. Second time around to the chorus though, it does hang on the F for an extra bar, okay? And you've got this. And all of those parts repeat around. Then you've got this sort of middle 8 part where he's doing this really cool chord. It's like 2, 3, 0, 3. Okay, but with these fingers. With your thumb over the top, right, for the F. Just does that the whole way through, right? So first finger off, first finger on again, right? Lovely, lovely chord. And then you've got this in the outro. So it's just 5 stabs of that weird little F chord, and then you've got this. And you're done. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that one. It's a beautiful tune, and do check out Once if you can. Just a brilliant, brilliant film. See you later. Bye bye.